Hello, do this now. Do not delay. Getting more customers to your business is guaranteed through do it yourself digital marketing. Proven ways to drive more customers to your business. In 18 lectures, you can become an expert in Google search engine optimization (SEO) by directing customers to your business. Hello, I am Dr. Peter A., an expert in digital marketing search engine optimization using Google. An 18-lecture course designed to cover all the essentials you need for SEO to drive customers to your business success. In this course, we will dive into the key areas critical for optimizing your digital presence, from understanding the basic of SEO to advanced strategies. Here is a quick overview of what we will cover. Getting started with SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Lecture 1, Introduction to SEO. An overview of Search Engine Optimization Fundamentals. Technical SEO, Content Marketing, Analytics, Advanced Topics, and your capstone project. Fundamental Search Engine Optimization Skills. Lecture 2, Basics of SEO, Exploring Search Engines, Algorithms, and the Mechanics of SEO. Lecture 3, Keyword Research, Identifying high-impact keywords to boost visibility. Lecture 4, On-Page SEO, Optimizing Content, Meta Tags, and URLs to rank higher. Next, Technical SEO. Lecture 5, Websites Audits, Conducting in-depth audits to identify improvement areas. Lecture 6, Site Structure, Enhancing Site Architecture for better indexing. Lecture 7, Mobile Optimization, ensuring your site is seamless across all devices. Content Marketing Essentials. Lecture 8, Content Creation, Crafting engaging SEO-friendly content. Lecture 9, Content Strategy, Building and Executing an Effective Content Plan. Lecture 10, Link Building, Developing Strategies to earn high-quality backlinks. Analytics and Performance Tracking. Lecture 11, Google Analytics, Learning to navigate and leverage Google Analytics. Lecture 12, SEO Reporting, Creating Performance Reports to measure your ROI. Lecture 13, Tools and Resources, Exploring essential SEO tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and more. Advanced SEO topics. Lecture 14, Local Search Engine Optimization (SEO), optimizing for local search to reach nearby audiences. Lecture 15, Voice Search Optimization, preparing for the growing impact of voice search. Lecture 16, Search Engine Optimization for e-commerce, tailored strategies for online stores. Capstone Project. Lecture 17, Hands-on SEO Project, applying your skills to a real-world SEO challenge. Lecture 18 Presentation, showcasing your findings and expert recommendations. Join me, Dr. Peter A, for this in-depth training and take your SEO skills to the next level.